بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الكريم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما. اللهم إنا نسألك الإخلاص والقبول وأن تنفعنا اللهم بما نقول. اللهم أمين. وبعد. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Tajweed 101 course, a simple step-by-step course, inshallah, that will enable you to understand the Tajweed rules and apply it properly. My name is Maghfira and I am an online Quran teacher, and you are watching Maghfira Education, the place to learn and know and understand how to read the Quran properly and understand its meaning. And today this is the lesson number 4, and we are going to continue the previous lessons that we started. In this lesson, we are going to continue what we have started already. The last lesson, we started the isti'adha and basmalah and the ways that we can read them at the beginning of recitation. And I have one thing to continue this topic, and it is saying basmalah between two surahs. And saying basmalah between two surahs, when I'm reading and I finish already I finished the surah and I need to start the new one, I have different ways to join the basmalah with the beginning, the end of a surah, and the beginning of the new one with basmalah. Number 1, the same as previous, the same as isti'adha, cut them all. So cut the end of a surah with then the beginning, then the basmalah. So if, for example, we have the end of Surah Al-Falaq and the beginning of Surah Al-Nas, the first option that I can do, or I can read by it, is cut them all. So, وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ بِسْمِ اللَّهِ الرَّحْمَنِ الرَّحِيمِ قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Cut them all. This is option number 1. Option number 2, it is join them all, like the end of the surah, I will join it with the basmalah, then the beginning of the new surah. So, وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ بِسْمِ اللَّهِ الرَّحْمَنِ الرَّحِيمِ قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. This is option number 2. Okay, and make sure that when you join, you have to give the letter that turned it into a sukoon. Because of a stopping rule, I have to return this to its proper harakah that it has. So, وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدٍ. If you look to the mushaf, you will find that the dal contain fatha. And this is why, if you want to join it with the new surah, or with the basmalah, so that, to join the new surah. So this is the way number 2. And the third way is joining the beginning with the basmalah and cut the end. So it will be like this. وَمِن شَرِّ حَاسِدٍ إِذَا حَسَدَ بِسْمِ اللَّهِ الرَّحْمَنِ الرَّحِيمِ قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. Like this. Okay? So join basmalah with the beginning of a surah, cut it from the end. And the fourth way is joining the end with the basmalah and cut the beginning. End of a surah, join it with basmalah, then start the new surah separately. It is not allowed. Why? Because if someone listened to this recitation, he may think that the basmalah is from the end, is a one ayah from the end surah, or from the previous surah. So this is forbidden. So this way is not allowed. So we reached to the end of this topic, basmalah and isti'adha between the two surahs and at the beginning of recitation. Hope you understand this part better. Hope you understand this part. If you have any question, don't forget to send me on comment below. Inshallah, from the next lessons, we are going to start the articulation points. So, Jazakumullahu khairan for you watching. Hope you find these videos beneficial. If so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share it to your friends and relatives so that benefit spread. Jazakumullahu khairan for you watching. Catch you on the next video inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.